Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your last seen private on Telegram using the latest updated settings. If you value your privacy and don't want everyone to know when you were last active, this is a simple adjustment that makes a big difference. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 lines in the top corner or your profile picture. Tap on that to open the main menu. Next, go into Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your account preferences and customization options. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your personal information and activity. Now, look for the option labeled Last Seen and Online, and tap on it. This is the key setting that determines who can view your activity status. You'll now see a few options. To make your last seen more private, choose My Contacts. This means only people saved in your contacts list will be able to see when you were last active or if you're currently online. If someone is not in your contacts, they won't have access to this information anymore, which adds an extra layer of privacy to your account. That's it. Your last seen is now limited to your contacts only. It's a quick change, but it gives you much better control over your visibility on Telegram. If you want even more privacy, you can explore additional options in the same section, like adding exceptions or hiding your status from specific people. Thanks for watching.